In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your DocuSign password for 2026. Quick setup. If you've been locked out or just want to update your credentials, follow along and we'll walk through the entire process from start to finish. All you'll need is access to the email address that's tied to your DocuSign account and a couple of minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. This is the safest way to begin a password reset, and it ensures you're not entering information on a lookalike site. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and choose Sign In. This takes you to the standard login screen where you'd usually enter your details. Under the password field, click Reset Password. This is the option that triggers the secure reset process. By the way, to make this easier, I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the very top of the video description. Use that link if you want to jump straight to the correct page. Next, type in the email address associated with your DocuSign account and select Submit. Take a moment to double check for typos, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. If you're not sure which email you used, check where you normally receive DocuSign notifications. Now switch over to your email inbox and look for the password reset message from DocuSign. It should arrive within a minute or two. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. Keep your DocuSign tab open, then return to it and enter the verification code from the email exactly as shown. These codes are time sensitive, so if it expires, simply request a new one from the same page. Once your code is accepted, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Follow DocuSign's password requirements, which typically include a mix of characters and a minimum length. Choose something strong and unique that you haven't used elsewhere. Re-enter it to confirm, then click Save to finalize the change. If your browser offers to update the saved password, go ahead and accept to avoid future login issues. Finally, head back to the DocuSign sign-in page, enter your email address and log in with your brand new password. You should now have full access. If you're still prompted with your old password by autofill, clear it and type the new one manually. That's how to reset your DocuSign password using the quick setup method for 2026. Thanks for watching.